It's Mila at WTI, and today I want to share with you my Casemate iPhone 13 Pro Max case that I love. Now, obviously, the number one thing that you're going to notice is the design. It's got these beautiful rhinestones that almost do a fade or ombre effect at the bottom. And this case actually guarantees up to 10-foot drop testing. So you don't have to worry about dropping your phone from super high. It's going to do the protection it needs at that height. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you the case on, and you're going to see the contrast with the rhinestones and the white and silver iPhone that I have. Super easy to put on, you guys. Now here you can see the design in the back. Gorgeous. And then you can see the side where the buttons are, fully covered with a silver detail, and then that mute button is in fact exposed, giving you easy access. And then here on the other side, the power button is also covered with that silver detail. I like the fact that it does provide complete coverage. It even has, you can see the top kind of comes up, goes down again and comes up. So this gives added protection to each corner of the phone. And of course, you have access to your charging and speakers. You guys, I love this case. I think it's gorgeous and it's functional, providing super amount of protection. There you have it. That's my point of view.